If you drive a newer Tesla Model 3 Highland or a Model Y Juniper, this is the upgrade you did not know you needed. This new 65-watt USB charger hub looks like it came built in from the factory. And check this out, it has a defensive sliding shield to protect it from dust or moisture. It's basically an all-in-one 4-port hub with a 65-watt USB-C, 30-watt PD, and 2 extra ports so you can charge multiple devices without clutter. The advanced charging chip boosts speeds of up to 40%, keeping your phone, your tablet, or your laptop powered while you drive. And the best part is that it blends seamlessly with your center console, so it looks sleek and just so fine-tuned. There are no messy cables, no bulky adapters. It's just a clean and powerful setup that really matches your Tesla design. So if you've got that 2024-2025 Model 3 Highland or the 2026 Model Y Juniper, this is the perfect fit. It's quick, it's clean, and it's built for Tesla owners who love detail.